sin afflicted, bound with fruitless sorrow down. By the broken law convicted, through the cross behold the crown. Look to Jesus, mercy flows through him alone. Take his easy yoke and wear it, love will make obedience sweet. Christ will give you strength to bear it, while his wisdom guides your feet. Safe to glory, where his ransomed captives meet. Blessed are the eyes that see him, blessed the ears that hear his voice. Blessed are the souls that trust him, and in him alone rejoice. His commandments then become their happy choice. Sweet as home to pilgrims weary, like to newly opened eyes. Mournful springs in deserts dreary is the rest the cross supplies. All who taste it shall to rest immortal rise. Come, ye souls by sin